In front of me is Motorola Moto G05, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete it, hold it and tap on pin icon under the pin one. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!